So you can open both sides, left and right. And then can you show me opening from the middle? Wow. That's fantastic. I know a lot of people, as a matter of fact, my friend, he complains that, you know, when his gear shifts, it's hard for him to get to it because he can't open it from the middle. This solves the problem. That's fantastic. Can you unlock it and close it? Oh, and then it has a stand there. Now, how do you actually lock it?
Actually, after then we have lock here.
Oh, I see.
The key is locked on the both sides.
On both sides.
And this protects the water.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I mean, I can give you my card. That'll be cool.
This one has trays that you can actually take out. You can take these trays out, and then it'll act like a normal truck box. Aero class. Thank you very much.